My name is Venkatesh. I am a senior sales manager in ADLINK Technology. ADLINK India is a Taiwan-based company where we have an office in Bangalore. So we manufacture, majorly our main business is edge AI-based computing. So we have a smallest form factor of a device where half size of the visiting card size to the high-end servers. So all edge computing devices we manufacture with respect to NVIDIA, Intel, ARM, all those multiple ecosystems. In the past 1 year, we are more focusing on the smart factory applications. So here a lot of Apple manufacturing has come over here, and we are the part of the manufacturing process. We supply all our edge computing devices, including the I/O cards, all those things where for inspection, machine inspections and all is being used. So compared to yesterday, today is a little bit good actually. So a lot of visitors are there. So yesterday was low in footfall, but today is okay. So we are getting good enquiries and all. A lot of opportunities are there. We are working on it.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.